Mid-century modern design emerged in the 1940s, 1970s, blending functionality, simplicity, and a connection to nature. These homes emphasize clean lines, large windows, and open spaces to create an airy feel. The style remains popular today due to its timeless aesthetic and adaptability. Whether it's a cozy bungalow or a sprawling estate, mid-century modern homes bring warmth and elegance to any setting. One of the defining features of mid-century homes is their open floor plan, which eliminates unnecessary walls to create a seamless flow between spaces. The living room, dining area, and kitchen often blend together, making homes feel more spacious and inviting. This layout also enhances natural light and ventilation, reinforcing the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Mid-century homes are known for their expansive glass windows, which allow plenty of natural light to flood the interiors. These windows also provide stunning views of gardens, courtyards, or landscapes, creating a strong bond with nature. They blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, making the home feel more open and serene. Unlike traditional pitched roofs, mid-century modern homes often feature flat or low-sloping roofs that enhance their sleek, minimalist appearance. These roofs are not only visually striking, but also practical, allowing for larger windows and extended overhangs that provide shade and energy efficiency. Mid-century modern homes prioritize natural materials like wood, stone, and brick to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Exposed wooden beams, stone fireplaces, and brick feature walls add character and timeless charm to these spaces. These elements balance the modern aesthetic with a sense of comfort and authenticity. The design philosophy of mid-century modern homes embraces simplicity and functionality. Every element serves a purpose, and there's little room for unnecessary ornamentation. This results in clean, uncluttered spaces that feel timeless and elegant. The furniture often features sleek lines and organic shapes, complementing the home's architecture. A key principle of mid-century design is integrating indoor and outdoor spaces. Many homes feature sliding glass doors, patios, and atriums that encourage outdoor living. These elements create a natural flow between the home's interior and its surrounding environment, making the outdoors feel like an extension of the living space. Furniture in mid-century modern homes is just as iconic as the architecture itself. Pieces by designers like Eames, Saarinen, and Noguchi feature organic forms, simple structures, and a mix of materials like wood, leather, and metal. These timeless designs continue to be sought after for their functionality and aesthetic appeal. Mid-century homes often feature earthy tones like warm browns, olive greens, and mustard yellows, complemented by bold accent colors such as teal, burnt orange, and deep blues. This mix of natural and vibrant hues creates a harmonious and inviting atmosphere, adding personality without overwhelming the space. The mid-century modern style remains popular because it effortlessly combines form and function. Its timeless aesthetics, open spaces, and strong connection to nature make it a perfect choice for modern living. Whether you're designing a new home or renovating an existing space, mid-century modern principles provide a beautiful, practical, and enduring foundation. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you some great inspiration for your home design. Whether you're planning a new build or just love the beauty of mid-century modern homes, timeless design never goes out of style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design ideas, architectural inspiration, and interior styling tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.